It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2014 Jeep Wrangler Sport convertible. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Jeep. The driver's door has manual locks, manual windows, door storage, a manual driver's seat. Next, I'll climb in and we'll look at the steering wheel. The right side has our cruise control buttons. We also have the driver information center, our radio and CD player. We also have our climate control buttons down below, and traction control, hazard lights, and a manual transmission. At the front of the Jeep, we have fog lights, black tow hooks, a light bar, 16-inch aluminum wheels, a 3.6-liter V6 engine under the hood, and as we make our way toward the back, we've got the soft top convertible. In the back of the Jeep, we have 2 additional seats with cup holders on the floor. So come take a look at the 2014 Jeep Wrangler Sport convertible today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.